Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to create a Zoom meeting apps in Zoom. So guys, today this video is totally helpful, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So I hope like this video. So previous video I am just create a Zoom apps account. So now I am create a Zoom new meeting. So now click on new meeting and open it here, join with computer audio and set speaker and microphone. So I'm just computer audio and click mute, okay, and stop video, stop, okay. So now click view speaker full screen, okay. Now reaction button is enable and security and participate. So just I am participate here. So click new more and breakout rooms, captions, room, record on this computer. So chat and show chat preview, okay. Share my screen and screen 1, screen 2, whiteboard, iPhone, pad, cost, okay. Plus costing my another active windows. So I'm just share my screen 1 and click share. So already share my screen. So I hope enjoy this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and see more. So guys, bye bye.